Anong babae mo?
Toys.
Tapos sige tayo food ulit. Lunch. Lunch. We're gonna eat here. Lunch. Have Japanese for lunch. Para siyang marugame. Pero hindi siya marugame. So, let's eat. Food already? Ikaw, for you. Eat na eat. Yummy? So, you're just like Addy. You're eating shrimp. Hindi na?
Buti may salmo kung mama mo.
Gonna go upstairs. Wow, it's so high. Happy? Hi everybody, it's Friday and today is our prom. I'm so excited. So let's go. Mushroom. So this is our grocery list because we're out of stock now. There. Sugar. Check. So we're gonna buy pancit canton, sesame oil, Mang Tomas, soy sauce. I'm gonna buy oil, all the essentials. I'm gonna get a tissue. Ilang tissue? Ito? So, pipila na kasi ang haba na ng pila. So, iniwan muna namin yung part there. Tapos, bibili pa kami ng iba-iba pa. We're gonna buy tomato paste and tomato sauce. We're gonna get 3 tomato paste. 3 tomato paste. Tapos, hindi, sauce. Hindi, wait. Tomato paste. 2 tomato paste. And 3 sauce. Let's go. This is for our steak.
Ano ba yun?
Point. Namalengke kami kanina kaya we have egg and rice there. Mukhang hindi na kasya mag-SNR pa ata kami. So tired. Hindi pa nalalagay itong stroller and egg. So we're here sa SNR. We're just gonna buy frozen chicken and other stuff para may dumi ako dito. Where's Tyron? There's Tyron. No. Mayo, we're gonna get full cream milk for my matcha. Yeah. We're gonna buy sabon. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I go. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, you know how to bike na? Oh! May... It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. The car is so full. Let's go home.
Bye-bye! Peragoma. Nalimutan niya yun. Wala tayo papaya.
Jade Garden. It's so nice.
Siyempre yun, baka katabi mo tayo.
Hindi tayo makulit.
ID? You're cute. Cute, cute. Say hi.
Like this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Ading Ding is so cute.
Hindi. Hindi mo ba naman kami? Pinababaan mo kami. Yan kahit ano.
Karan, there's Adi. Oh, may ubo ka. Look at that. Look at Adi. Look at Adi. 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 Where? Adi. Po ma'am, yung meat po ng duck po. Video?
Ikot para ano. Ito. Eat.
Asian? Dampel. NB daw ang ibibigay. Yung mga N.
Hindi kasi ito, maingay. Ang dalawang ako, sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Ano kayo manitang gulay sa paligid sa bayan?
Kahit ito sabi ng Thailand.
Thailand. Thai.
Ayun ang gamit mo.
Ayat,
Ako din yung pinili.
Fire. Picture. Hold daddy, hold daddy. Hold hands. Hold hands. Hold hands.
Tyron, smile din. May namatanda si Yuli lang, tsaka si ate.
Ah. Where's Tyron's swimming outfit? Adi is swimming. Adi is swimming. Kasi Tyron nasa room. Hindi ko alam kung saan room kasi nalagnat siya. And ako, natamad ako mag-swim. Though may pang sim ako, pero natamad na ako mag-swim. Tyron and Adi is swinging. Hi. Pick up the food. This one. Hintayin na natin. We're here, waiting for the other food. Bye, baby Adi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Adi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, love. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone. It's Monday and I'm supposed to be at school, but I'm absent, obviously, because I'm sick. Like, I have a sore throat and I have sipon. Tapos nagbili ako ng... Yeah. Hinawaan niya ako ng sipon. Ang galing. Yeah.
May sakit din siya. And this summer, bigla nag-dry yung lips ko. So I put Laneige para hindi na siya mag-dry. And I'm gonna prepare Tyron's food, McDo. And he wants juice. What do you want? Mango or guayabano? Are you sure? The green one? Or the yellow one? Ano kuya? What do you want? The yellow or green one? Are you sure? I thought you like mango. So, I'm gonna prepare the food. I'm gonna air fryer the chicken na lang para maganda. Para crispy siya. Lagay ko yung chicken. Make this with glass. I'm so have sipon. Nakakainis. I don't like sipon. So there's the milk. Actually, bawas na yung milk. Why, baby? Bawas na yung milk kasi kahapon. Yeah. You have juice. Wait. Kahapon, bumili ako sa No Brand ng hot chocolate. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng milk. I'm gonna make it later. You want? Ano ba? Kala ko ba you want? So, this is the matcha latte. Kahapon, hindi ko na na-videohan yung kumain kami ng dinner. Kasi, low-bat yung phone ko. Yum. Tyron loves this then. He loves this kasi nung bata ako, I don't like matcha. Kasi lasa siyang damo. Oh, drink mo. Yummy? Yummy. He loves matcha, right?
Lalagyan ng meat ba to?
Yes. So it's my turn to try the matcha drink. I have sipon. Actually, masarap siya. Kahit medyo wala akong nalalasahan. Cheers. Tyron's food is ready. We're gonna transfer it to the McDo. Laman. Kasi ayaw ni Tyron ng laman. Pero kinakain pa rin niya. Pero mas more on gusto niya ng balat. Right? There's the gravy. You're cute. Yummy. Hindi siya makain ng may kutsara. He just use his hand to show them. You're not gonna put it in gravy first? So it's yummy. Pa akong lunch, but I'm gonna let Tyron drink medicine. Let Tyron drink medicine. Tama ba yung English? O hindi? Another one, big boy. Good job. So, sa sipon naman is sa top. Ako I'm gonna buy may gamot later kasi tomorrow balo ko na pumasok sa school and hindi pa rin kaya absent ulit ako. Pero parang kaya ko naman na.
I want more!
More what?
I want more orange.
Oh, ito orange din to. Color orange. Big boy? So simple and we're gonna go now. Let's go. Mr. Kebab.
Beef din ba kayo? Pare-pareho tayo? Wala nag-shawarma to. Sino shawarma? As kanila kakaalis ka daw. Member mo?
Mr. Kebab will transfer sa Tokyo Mart kasi magka-cafe kami and buy something. Hi babe! Now look for another cafe because sold out na. So, isang Dricocino tsaka Mocha Espresso. Do it para.
Mocha espresso. Mocha espresso crap po.
Apo. Pati yung Dricocino crap.
Takeout, sir.
Or dining room.
Ay! Take out. Take out na. Donuts. Hi, Taiwan. You have a new toy? You have a new toy again? We're gonna go home and I think we're not gonna cook steak kasi busog na kami and anong oras na? 11 plus na. So we're not gonna cook steak. So good night. Let's call it a night. Good night everyone. Bye.